Good evening to all. In this video, let us see about the classification of the type of customer order. So there are two major classifications. One is make to stock, which we call as MTS, and the other one is make to order, which we call it as MTO. And the third one is assemble to order. This is not the third type of customer order, but it comes in between make to stock and make to order. So in this, the common things for any type of customer order is order picking systems by the industry, manual, mechanized or automated, picker to parts system, put system, parts to picker system. These three comes under manual operations. Mechanized or automated systems includes automated picking or through the help of robot picking it can be done. So this is what about the types of customer order. Let us see one by one. So make to stock. So make to stock is the industry will manufacture the products by depending upon the quantity of the stock available. That is, depending upon the raw material availability, the industry will make its product. The finished products can be produced based upon the inventory storage, and the advantage of MTS is smooth production, and the main disadvantage of MTS is inventory. So we need to have inventory always to ensure the make to stock process. This is about the make to stock, and the make to stock performance measures are input measures, process measures, output measures, impact measure, and outcome measure. So input, output, impact, and outcome. These four are main thing, and these four can be accomplished only with the help of the process measures. So all these five performance measures will work out in a cyclic order to satisfy the service level of the customer, to maintain a balanced inventory turnover, to ensure the backorder fill rate, and to ensure the inventory accuracy, and also to ensure the replenishment time. The next second type is make to order. So from the name itself, we can understand that this type of production takes place only through the order received by the customer, by the industry from the customer. So once an order is received from the customer, the industry will start doing its production. So starting the production when customer order is received, and the main advantage of this make to order is there is no need for finished goods inventory because the order is already confirmed. So immediately after the production, the industry can dispatch its products to the customer. The main disadvantage is intermittent production because nowadays not all the customers are they want to incorporate any customizable operations or any customizable design in their product. So the industry needs to interrupt in between its production process, and the industry should be ready to incorporate any type of technological updations or any type of basic requirements needed by the customer. So the key performance measures are lead time, orders completed on time, and the quality measures. So this is what about make to order. So from the diagram we can see here production, engineering, purchasing, parts manufacturing, assembly, finished goods inventory, and the customer order and delivery. So when we compare these two, make to order and make to stock, so faster service, work in process inventory, key performance measures, inventory levels, and quality of the product. These are the main parameters to ensure the quality of the final product. But we have discussed the push-pull view of supply chain during the introduction videos, and here make to stock is push view and make to order is pull view, which means pushing from the factory or the industry to the warehouse, and the pull process is the making the decision of the product from the customer first, because the customer gives the order and then it is processed in the industry and then it is dispatched to the customer again. So this is the comparison between make to order and make to stock. So assemble to order is just making the assemble process, that is assembling the components. So make parts whenever there is any sub-assemblies, it needs to be assembled. Finish when order is placed. And advantage is less inventory for this assemble to order. So process selection decisions. So this is the product process matrix, and then this is mainly done with the help of the volume and standardization. So for continuous production, the volume should be high, then mass production, then batch production, and uh, still for the projects, the volume can be very low. So this is what the product process matrix, and this is the decision making process cycle. So it also works in the form of a cyclic operation. So finally, the best solution can be selected, starting from the definition, analyzing the problem, developing alternative solutions, and evaluation of the alternative solutions to find the best possible one. Then after the best solution selection, the implementation is done, and continuously it is followed up. So why make to order or make to stock? So availability of goods, a higher standard of quality, personalized products, customer service level, increase in customer service level. These are the main things why we need to go for make to order. So these are all some of the case studies where make to order plays a major role, and it is very successful. So Speakeasy, Original, Dell Supply Chain, general supply chain and Dell supply chain, after incorporating make to order, they became very successful. And these are all some of the edible arrangements, edible items, wherein the make to order is generally followed. So after getting the order or receiving the order from the customer, and this is Patent Sales Corporation, where the products are customized with some special specifications as required by the customer, and patents they themselves mix in their unit. So as to conclude, we can tell make to order is best even when we consider the logistics when compared to make to stock. Thank you.